Sid, you might pass. Cool.
Hey Sid, I noticed that. Good job, Sid. Sid, you're killing, girl. Good job.
Smile, Sid.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Do it again. Wait.
Now one thing, guys, I'm seeing
Gabe, smile.
Sid. I'm seeing 3 just back in here, close by me. Okay. Yeah. Good hustle.
Sydney, how many do you have?
Sid's a scrapper, man.
How many do you have?
I just have this one.
Count them.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. How many do you have?
7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, Gabe, go find 2 more.
Gabe, come here.
Let Gabe find the last 2, Sid. Oh, 3. Wait, that's not right, because I only left out 13.
I got 1.
So somebody miscounted.
I got 7.
Okay. Wow, you guys did awesome. Okay.